sled.
Hey, dude, you should go on the sled.
Oh, I want this shovel.
You want the shovel?
This shovel.
Wouldn't you rather sled than shovel?
Mark.
What?
You're in my track.
Oh. Okay. Let's go.
Woo!
Yeah, that was amazing.
Get up here again, I'll push you.
No.
Not you.
Watch. Amanda, watch. Oh.
Does he really?
That's Snowstorm.
Taking unflattering pictures of me. Ready?
I'm stuck, wait. My rope was dragging.
Mark trying to sled.
You want to try pushing him?
Yeah.
Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3! Here he goes. Into the woods.
Here we go.
1, 2, 3!
That was the best one yet.
That was better than Dad.
You made your own path there.
We all made our own path. If no one's gotten the same path more than once.
Keep hitting the same one.
We are at the Furtado household on December, what's today, the 18th? In the middle of the blizzard of 2008, and Jeremy is going to attempt to sled down the hill that we have built for ourselves here. You think this is going to be on Facebook?
Absolutely.
Do you?
It'll at least be on YouTube, I'm sure.
Here, I'll get some of you on here then so you can put it on your Facebook too. It's hard to see in here though. We got a nice little campfire going out here. Campfire, beer, and a sledding hill. You can't beat it. It's winter in New England. Head first.
And this is Mark Sherman doing a snow angel.
Super scarf. Yeah, very nice.
Do you see what he's doing?
Is it working?
Oh yeah, it's working. Good job, Mark.
This is Amanda going down from the back here.
3! Go, 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 go. All the way to the end.
She's in the woods.
Whoa!
Alright, let's go move that boulder. What?
I can barely even see.
Oh, he must have got off in the hole.
You gotta go that way.
Huh?
You gotta do it away from the light.
Let me see. No, I'm taking video.
I know, but can you see my face now?
Unfortunately, yes, I can.
That's probably driveway again. If I push the snow like this.
Yep, we'll get a wider berth.
Build it up high.
This is a kick-ass sledding hill we got going on here.
Alright, come on.
Built by that plow and by manpower.
Well, who's got the rock? We should be putting sticks in the ground. Who goes above?
I already hit the rock at the end.
You hit the rock?
Alright, that's fine. Well, Mark hasn't hit the rock yet. The way you want to go, just pull it the way you want to go.
Mark, take one.
Like you're doing reindeer. What do you do? Pull the rope in the direction you want to go. Do this.
Pretend you're Santa Claus.
Like that. I can do that. Like this, watch. Wrap your hands around one. Yeah. And that way you can pull it. If you want to go to the right, you pull to the right and it goes. But make sure you stay on the top. Of course. Alright, let's do this.
Ready?
Yep.
1, 2,
Fast.
3.
Oh, that was crappy. Oh, it's caught up front. There you go. Still caught. Nope. Nope.
Your wreath looks very festive.
There you go.
Ready?
Thank you.
Almost. Hold on.
Wrap them around your hand once so you get some grip. There you go.
A couple of times.
Ready? Yes. 1,
On dash or on dash?
Yeah,
Not so high. Right.
Oh, you're gone. Oh.
Okay, Amanda, your turn.
Ready? Yep. 1, 2. Go, 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 go.
Damn,
go,
girl!
Go, go, smash. Beauty. Behind the rock, you got to beat now.
Look at that fire, huh?
It's dying down.
Think that's gonna catch?
I don't know.
It has to. That wood's so dry.
Maybe it's just not hot enough. The kindling caught pretty good.
Well, here we are, Christmas 2008, December 19th. Is today the 19th?
Yep.
19th. In the middle of a blizzard. But if there were to ever be a blizzard, I guess this would be the time. Right, Shelby?
Definitely snowy.
Can't see the river at all. Put it on again?
It doesn't stay on.
Damn. That's nuts.
I like it in the summer better.
Yeah.